Top 3 best brokers for bonds. Bonds are the backbone of stability in many portfolios. They generate steady income, reduce volatility, and balance out the risks of stocks. But here's the catch, not every broker gives you wide access to bonds at a fair cost. Some limit your choices, others hide fees in the spreads, and a few don't even prioritize fixed income at all. That's why today we're ranking the top 3 best brokers for bonds. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go for the best mix of access, pricing, and tools. Number 3. Charles Schwab. We start with Charles Schwab, one of the most trusted names in retirement and long-term investing. Schwab's bond platform gives you access to over 60,000 individual bonds, including treasuries, municipal bonds, and corporate debt. The advantage? Transparency. Schwab doesn't charge commissions on new issue bonds, and they clearly display the markup or markdown on secondary market bonds. You also get robust bond screeners and tools to compare yields, maturities, and credit ratings. The downside? While Schwab's platform is reliable, it's not as advanced as specialized bond trading systems, and some investors find the markups slightly higher than what they'd pay at discount brokers. Who's it for? Long-term investors and retirees. If you want broad access, clarity in pricing, and the trust of a major US broker, Schwab is a strong pick. Number 2, Fidelity. In second place is Fidelity, a powerhouse for fixed income. Fidelity offers one of the largest selections of bonds available to retail investors, more than 100,000 offerings across US treasuries, munis, agencies, and corporates. The biggest advantage? Low pricing and deep research. Fidelity charges no commission on new issues, and their secondary market bonds come with some of the most competitive markups in the industry, often just $1 per bond. Combine that with Fidelity's advanced screeners, credit analysis, and fixed income research, and you've got a platform built for informed investors. The drawback? Like Schwab, Fidelity's bond platform is designed for investors, not traders. If you want institutional level execution speed or professional bond trading tools, this isn't it. Who's it for? Intermediate and serious fixed income investors. If you want the largest selection, competitive pricing, and deep research, Fidelity stands out.
Number 1, Interactive Brokers.
At number 1, we have Interactive Brokers. For bond traders and professionals, IBKR is on another level. Interactive Brokers gives you access to over 1 million bonds globally, including US treasuries, corporates, municipal bonds, and international fixed income markets. The bond marketplace connects directly to multiple electronic exchanges, giving you institutional grade access at retail pricing. The biggest advantage? Ultra low costs and global reach. IBKR charges as little as $1 per $1,000 face value, which can save active bond traders thousands compared to traditional brokers. Plus, the Trader Workstation platform gives you real-time pricing, credit spreads, yield curves, and advanced analytics. The trade-off? Complexity. Interactive Brokers isn't built for beginners. The platform has a steep learning curve, and it's best suited for investors who already understand fixed income. Who's it for? Professional and global investors. If you want maximum bond access, the lowest costs, and professional grade analytics, Interactive Brokers is the number 1 choice. Final recap. So here's the breakdown. Charles Schwab is best for long-term investors who want transparency and a trusted name. Fidelity is the choice for those who want the largest US bond selection with competitive pricing and deep research. And Interactive Brokers takes the crown, offering unmatched global access, institutional level pricing, and professional tools. Bonds may not be flashy, but they're one of the smartest ways to stabilize your portfolio, and with the right broker, you'll get better access, lower costs, and more control. And don't forget to check the description for tools and helpful links that can make things easier for you. If you found this helpful, give it a like and subscribe for more. This video and all the content on this channel are for informational and opinion purposes only. They do not constitute financial, health, or professional advice.